Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420i M Sport Coupe presented in the Melbourne Red. Alongside that very nice exterior colour, this vehicle also features BMW's fantastic full Mperformance Kit. It has been fitted at BMW and also includes a genuine set of 20-inch Mperformance 405M alloys. Alongside that, it has got the full M Sport Plus package, so you'll see situated behind those stunning alloys a set of the M Sport Plus brakes, and we'll talk more about what's included in that as we make our way around. So at the front, we've got the full carbon fibre front splitter, set of angel light and xenon headlamps, and the gloss black kidney grills. Down the side of the car, as well as those eye-catching alloys, you'll see the gloss black air breathers, carbon fibre mirror caps, and the satin side vinyls and Mperformance decals. You also see the sun protection glazing, again thanks to that M Sport Plus package. And of course, with the Melbourne Red, all of that exterior additions do make for a very nice exterior package. Interior wise, we've got black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and everything is in really great condition in terms of the interior and exterior on this car. And we've got a 7-speed automatic gearbox, and I'll touch more upon interior detail shortly. Harman Kardon surround sound, and you do of course get an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a centre folding armrest, storage tray, and that very nice darkened M Sport headlining, which works in a very nice contrast with the lighter exterior colour. Once again, showing you off these superb alloy wheels, which have all the way around. We've got the Dunlop Sport Max tyres, which again are in great condition. We've got that really standout carbon fibre rear spoiler and BMW's Mperformance gloss black rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot area for a 4 Series coupe, you'll be equally surprised with just how large that area is. It also has got split folding seats should you require any further room. Round at the other side, again, it looks just as fantastic. All of those additions really helping this car look even better. The Melbourne Red really does make those other additions stand out even further. And we'll take one last look at the alloys before I head on inside, just to run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more depth. Starting of course with the professional wide navigation and media screen. In terms of what we get with that screen, you do of course get the sat nav, which is a really user-friendly system to keep you connected. You've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've got DAB, and we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including the external device section, which will keep you covered for USB and AUX and the Bluetooth audio inputs. Your music collection, which is where you can store and rip music directly to the car's hard drive. So a good amount of multimedia inputs there, as well as the DAB of course. Down here you'll see the dual climate controls along with the switches for the heated seats. This vehicle has only covered just over 21,000 miles, so it's not only a very rare car in terms of having that full BMW Mperformance Kit, it's a lovely low mileage example and is backed up with full BMW service history as well. So you'll see there the next service is not due for 14,000 miles time. And there you can see on screen now we've got full BMW service history, which is a real credit to the last previous owner, as are the looks of this wonderful 420i M Sport Coupe. So thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. We'll hopefully see yourself soon. If you do require any further information or do want to give us a call, as always the contact information is in the description down below. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Bye bye.